Well, I did it. You guys didn't think I could do it, but I did it. Yes, I did. Yesterday, I broke my own record. I did. Some of you doubted me. Some of you believed in me, but I did it. You don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, do you? Well, let me tell you. Yesterday, which for me was Thursday, April 28, 2022, I decided to go dashing for the entire day. And it was raining initially for the first half of the day, so it was kind of a shitty day to go dashing, and yet a great day to go dashing. If you guys don't already know, when it's raining, that's the best time to go dashing because people don't want to go out, and they start to order food online. Let's take a look at the summary from my driver's utilities helper page. This is a screenshot of the summary of the entire day from yesterday. So you may be looking at this up here where it says $170.96. That's not it. That's not my record. And then if you look over here, you'll see it says 7 hours and 35 minutes where I made that $171 at $22.55 an hour. Is that what I did? Is that my record? No. You want to know what I did yesterday? Take a look at this. That's right. In 7.5 hours, I declined 334 orders. I had a total of 348 offers. I only took 14 of them in 7.5 hours. 334 declines in one day in a less than 8-hour shift. Now you tell me if that's not a fucking record. Right? I have never done that many in one day. Now, you may be asking, how is it possible that I had so many offers in one day? I have no idea. Now, I usually work on a Thursday. Thursday seems to be very busy, more than other days, maybe except for Sunday. And I think the reason is in a lot of city jobs and state jobs, they get paid on Thursday. They get these transfers on Thursday, not on Friday. So I think a lot of people go out when they get their money and they initially splurge and they get some Doordash, food. So that's why I think Thursday's so busy. Yesterday was insane. I'm talking about an order coming in every 20 seconds, every 30 seconds for hours nonstop. And you know what? Almost all of them, 10 miles, $2.25, 15 miles for $5.25, going to restaurants where I knew I was going to have to wait like 20 minutes to take an order for 18 miles for $6. This is what was coming in all day long. Now, I have driver's utilities helper, so I don't have to physically decline. I have an auto decline feature within that. Now, this is available only if you have Android. I'll put a link in the description below where you can download this app in case you want to try it out. It's called Driver's Utilities Helper. So I have it set on auto decline for anything less than $4.75, right? So if it's less than that, it automatically declines. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to press any buttons. It just automatically goes blip, 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 and it goes away, right? I have it set to a maximum amount of mileage. I have it set to auto decline. If it's less than, I have it set to 99 cents per mile, but usually I don't take them that low. I usually try to get at least $1.50 or more per mile. In that screenshot that I was showing you, that is the total amount of offers in 7.5 hours. It was 348. Almost all of them were fucking crap. I don't know how DoorDash can insult somebody like that by offering them an order for 12 miles with nothing but the base pay. It would cost more than that just for the gas to get there and back. So anyway, that's how that happened. Now here's the funny thing, right? Now, a while back, I did a video that talked about acceptance rate. This video right here. Right? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this video right here. I'll put a link to this at the end of this video so you can check that one out. And I talked about whether or not acceptance rate was important. And it's not. But you can watch that video and you'll find out why it's not. Okay? So the funny thing is, because I was declining so many orders in one day, I literally had an acceptance rate of 1%. That's right, 1%. So in that video, there were dashers that were telling me, oh, as soon as I hit below 60%, I stopped getting orders. They said DoorDash was punishing me because I went down less than 70% of my acceptance rate. Fucking bullshit. I went down to 1% acceptance rate. And that only happened because I finally took another order. The way I was doing it was I was declining like 30 or 40 orders in a row, and then one would come in for like $15, and that's the one I would take. And then I would get done with that, and there would be like 60 orders in a row that were fucking garbage, and then another one came in for $18, so I took that one. And so I kept taking them sporadically throughout the day and declining all the other ones, right? So my acceptance rate went down to 1%. If I would have declined just a few more, I would have had an acceptance rate of fucking zero. A 0% acceptance rate. If I would have hit it a 0% acceptance rate, I think the DoorDash Corporation would just close down and the entire earth would just implode. I don't know if anybody's ever gotten down to 1% or even 0%. I was so close. I almost wanted to keep declining orders just so I can get the screenshot of 0% acceptance rate, which I don't even know if anybody's ever done. But anyway, so based on that, I just want to reiterate that the acceptance rate means nothing. My acceptance rate was going down and down, 4%, 3%, 2%, and those orders were coming in nonstop, every 20 seconds, every 30 seconds. It didn't matter how many in a row I declined, right? I was getting that after each 10 that I declined, it was giving me that pause, timeout. But again, Driver's Utilities Helper has a function that automatically resumes. I don't even have to press any buttons. So as soon as they pause me for declining 10 in a row, it just resumes on its own. Anyway, if you get a chance, that's a great piece of software, Driver's Utilities Helper. It is only available for Android. They give you like a little basic version to try for free. You don't get any of the functionality. For $10 a month, it is so worth it, honestly. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that I have never declined 334 orders. One time I got close to 300, never above. This was insane. I have never seen that many orders in one day where 99% of them just sucked. And what upsets me is that all those orders, there's some dasher out there that was driving 12 miles for base pay. There's some dasher out there that took a 50-minute round trip drive for $4, right? Just wasn't going to be me. So anyway, congratulations to me, 334 declines. That is my new record. If I ever beat that, I'll let you guys know. Anyway, if you've ever come that close, if you've ever gone over that, let me know, because I can't imagine somebody having that high of a number on a regular basis. That's got to be like once in a lifetime. At least for me anyway, in this city that I'm in. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good dash.